everyone. Today we're gonna mix flour, or what some Caribbean people call it knead flour, Knead. First we're gonna have baking powder, your bowl, also a measurement cup. I have a 1 cup measurement cup here. Of course, your salt and a cup of water also. That's 1 cup of flour. And I had another 1 cup of flour. I have a teaspoon that I'm gonna take about a little more than a half of baking powder and put it in the flour. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt for tasting. I want to mix all of these ingredients together so that they even out. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of water inside the bowl so that I can try to get a paste. I put a little bit at first, mix it around with the water, blend it in for it to get that pasty feeling. Add some more water because I'm trying to get this pasty, gooey, gummy feeling. I want to mix all the flour together, so each time I'm gonna add water to it until it get pasty and I get all the flour mixtures together. Just add a little bit of water each time. Do not add like 1 cupful all at once or half a cupful all at once. That way the flour become coming out like watery. So be careful when you add your water to your flour mixture. Get the spaces, the loose flour inside the um, flour that you're making, that you already put together. You go around and you add water until it's all together and in a gummy, gooey feeling, all in one. Not too slack, not too loose, as in slack as in too watery. You can able to put it off like this, and it's not falling apart, and it's not too thin, not too thin. So each time you just add water to your flour until you get a gummy feeling in your hand. It's best if you use your hand instead of spoon. That way you can feel the gumminess and the smoothness of how thick or thin you want it to be. Now I'm gonna knead my flour. First I make a ball inside the palm of my hands, put my hands together, put the flour inside my hand, make a ball and then squeeze it in, press it in, make it flatten a little bit. Make a ball with my hands, meaning rub together like you're rubbing Same thing betwixt your hands. Press it down with the palm of your hand and flatten it out. If it breaks, just it's normal. Just had a piece more flour to it, or rejoin it. Doesn't matter if it breaks. Just rejoin it. Make a ball, flatten it. That's how you get your flour to fry, boil, or even whatever way you want to do it. To make fritters, this is not the way you should do it. It should be thinner, but this is the way you make like dumpling, to fry or to boil in a pot of water. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and of course hit that bell button so when I post anything you get a notification. Thanks for watching VJ Express. Take care.